Yo, what is going on, everyone? Kino is back with another video. I am so happy and so hyped to be dropping another video. All right, so it's late. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm recording this pretty late. It is 10:15 p.m. I did state on my community page on my YouTube channel that I will be dropping a video tonight, so I'm uploading myself on that. All right, so yeah, here we go. And for those that know, this is Flying Lotus. This is the producer, the maker, the hit maker, just an amazing producer. He's one of my favorite artists and producers. He has produced the whole soundtrack for this show called Yaskasuke. He is considered the black samurai, and it's a really good show. It's a really good show. The soundtrack is actually pretty dope as well. So I highly suggest for you guys to go check that out. I'll be throwing this on when I'll be back testing. Boy, I'll be funking out with it straight up. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump over to the charts, and we're going to go over my watch list and the one pair that I'm actually interested in. All right, you guys, so we're back, and this is what we're up to. So as you can see, I already got my forex majors. We already got my forex minors. All right, so we're gonna go through every pair, and this is gonna be quick actually. So yeah, so we're already on AUD USD. I'm not really interested, only because we are super extended down to the downside and it's not giving me anything to work with. So I'm not going to over exaggerate or force a trade. It's just not giving me what I'm looking for, especially on my criteria list. Okay, so I'm not gonna force anything there. Euro USD, we just broke here at the, what level is this? 1.08718. I drew this out last week. I think this was like last Thursday or Friday. I was looking for this to break, so it definitely broke, but I'm still not interested because I'm still waiting for it to develop. But until further notice, I am not interested on trading or forcing a trade here. Okay, so we already got GU. Same thing, not interested here. Broke here at that level. We have a small pullback, but I'm still not interested. We're definitely here at the supply zone. Definitely had came and rejected that. This might actually be like maybe a liquidity grab on a bigger time frame, but I'm not going to really what's the word I'm looking for, set myself into stone with it. I'm just gonna let it play out. Is basically what I'm trying to say. So yeah, NZD USD, same thing. Super extended, not interested at all. USD CAD, super extended to the upside, not interested. Now I did place a trade here. I will place the screenshot. Is it this one? I'll check it, but it might be this one. I'm not sure. If not, then you'll see it. If I mean, if it's not, then you won't see it. But if it is, you'll see it. But I'm not sure. But I did place a trade here at USD CAD. Here at the 71, and I got out based on a bigger time frame perspective, due to the fact that we were consolidating back and forth, but I was still looking for price to break up out of this consolidation. As you can see, we have this high here, we have this low here, and we're just moving back and forth sideways until I was waiting for price to either break up to the upside or either downside, and it definitely has broken up to the upside. So I quickly got out of the trade. Well, I didn't quickly, I got out of the trade, and I still wanted to see how it would develop and see if it would produce any other new opportunity. Still, well, until then, it has not produced any other opportunity just yet, except for this low here. I don't have no type of solidified high yet, so I'm just gonna wait. So on to the next. Now we have USD and the Swiss franc. It was clean textbook actual like setup anyway. As you can see, we're pushing down to the downside currently. I'm only currently looking at price is pushing down to the downside. As you can see, we had an impulse move to the downside, which caused a break of structure, and I had to ask myself what was the cause. And we have this liquidity purge here, which broke down to the downside. We have price retracing beautifully to the upside without it being aggressive or impulsive. It's just consolidating while still trending up to the upside, and that's something I like to see going towards my entry. So I'm still waiting for this to develop, but this is the only trade that I'm actually looking at. This is giving me something. It meets my criteria, so I'm really interested in this trade. So I already placed two orders on, well, two positions on this pair, one at the 71 and one at the 75. I had reduced my risk on the second trade only because it has a bigger risk to reward. So yeah, I just reduced that just in case, because I don't want my loss to be like big, right? So I definitely reduced my risk on that, but I also have a good decent size position at the 71. Okay, so yep, that's my setup for USD and the Swiss franc. On to the next. Now we have USD and JPY. This is also another textbook trade setup, but I missed this by a pip. As you guys can see, I have noted here, this is something I had set here. I was looking for price to come here to meet at the 71, but instead price definitely pushed down to the downside. Pretty aggressive, like some of the trades with some of the pairs that I have recently shown in this video. So pretty aggressive to the downside, but this definitely would have worked out nice if it would have had tagged me in. Okay, so we have a break of structure here, impulse move to the downside, which caused that break of structure, and then we had liquidity purge here above the highs. And as you can see, I forward tested it, and I noted here that failed to make a new high. So that's when I was comfortable to actually look for an opportunity for shorts. So yeah, all right, move on to our miners. We have AUD CAD, nothing interesting here. Impulsive move to the downside, nothing to really work with. I'm not going to force anything. We have AUD in the Swiss franc. I thought we did have something here, but definitely blew out of my range, so not interested anymore actually. So not interested. AJ, I definitely did point this out. I was forward testing this one from last week as well. And with that being said, this hit perfectly at the 71, and I said to myself, I'm like, if this actually works, this would definitely be perfect. But that's me projecting and, you know, wishful thinking. So of course, realistically, the market doesn't have to do anything, right? So yeah, perfect touch entry, pushed up a couple of pips and then reversed on us. So definitely, if I would have taken that trade, it would have taken us out. So I'm glad that I didn't place that, let alone I'm forward testing it. So it gave me exactly what I needed to watch. And plus, one more thing, overall, it was super extended up to the upside. Here at the weekly, I can definitely show you. We can take this off. Super extended up to the upside, and now we're pushing down. So I want to see what happens here. I want to see what develops a little bit more, but I'm gonna let this pair do its thing. So AJ needs to do his thing and let that do it. Let's see. Yes, Euro and Aussie, super extended, not interested. Euro CAD, still looking for that to develop, but I'm not interested. Let's see. You could tell by just looking to, like, it's not really nothing to swing trade at the moment. Like, you can tell this could be something right here. This could be something. Oh, I forgot I had that effect on. So this could be something, but not too interested. Oh yeah, I remember. This could be something, but not interested. So price definitely came up to 71 and failed, but who's to say that it could come back up and test that high again? Well, filling that imbalance technically, and hit the 71 and or 75. That actually can still trigger me in, but until then, haven't really given me anything. So yeah, but this also might be a reverse due to the fact that we have a break of structure and impulse move to the upside, and liquidity purge has been purged. So maybe I'm not sure. So wait for that to like develop a little bit. We got Euro and JPY super extended to the downside, haven't given me anything to work with. GA, same thing, super extended, not interested in that, not forcing it. Same, not forcing it for GJ. Same thing with GN, the Great Britain pound versus NZD. NZD super extended, not interested. NZD CAD, same thing. Impulsive move to the downside, not interested. And then we have NZD JPY, super extended, not interested. So I'm only interested in USD and the Swiss franc. So that's pretty much it that I have for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that analysis breakdown, or analysis breakdown. And yeah, hope you guys come back, not this week but the following week, and we can definitely keep progress on what's going on with our swing trade on the 4-hour. And yeah, and then if we get triggered in, we're in there. If we don't, it's still good. We survive for another day. All right, so with that all being said, please like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, thank you guys for being with me on this beautiful night at 10:26 p.m. at night, July 7th 23rd. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.